Hi, I'm Sandata, yet Villarreal Jr. Welcome to Video Assisted Instruction Software Package Series. Right now, our topic for today is beginner number 7, and this is our activity, and inside of it we have 4 topics. The first one is select a range. The second topic we have is select a non-contiguous range. The third is name a range, and the last topic we have right now is select a name range. Now let's proceed with select a range. To select a range in spreadsheet, what you need to do is to click on the beginning of the data or cell you're going to select up to the end by clicking and not releasing the mouse pointer. Then move to the end of the selected data, then release. So this is how we select a range, and the selection I made is considered to be a column selection range. Now in terms of row selection, what you need to do is something like you're going to click at the beginning again, and you're going to click the mouse and do not release, then you're going to move it to the end you wanted to select, and that's all. So that is the row selection, and this is considered to be a column selection. That's how it works. The same process with the row selection, and that is how we select a range. Next topic is select a non-contiguous range. Selecting a non-contiguous is something like it is not connected but it is selected. So for example, I'm going to select budget up to cookies assorted by again clicking. After clicking, press the mouse pointer, do not release, then move on the selected area that you wanted, then release. So you will notice it is been selected. But the topic right now is considered to be non-contiguous. It means to say non-contiguous is not connected. That's why what you need to do is to use keyboard. You're going to use control button. So by clicking control button, then afterwards you're going to select another data from the beginning up to the end. The same process by clicking and holding the mouse pointer and then releasing afterwards you have been selected. Then release also the control button on the keyboard. Now you will notice that we have two selected columns and they are not connected to each other because 1994 column is not been selected, and this is what you call non-contiguous range. Okay, now let's move on to our third topic, name a range. So to name a range, what you need to do is first you're going to select a range. By selecting a range like this, 1994 up to 35, then what do you need to do is to go directly to what you call name box. In the name box, we have C5 because that is the start of the selection. So every time you select a range, the first active cell is what been indicated in the name box. For example, 1996. 1996 is E5, so that is the one shown in the name box. Then if you're going to select the area or range, still it is an E5. Now this is something like mind-boggling because you selected plenty of cells but it is only E5, since E5 is only one part selection. That's why we need to put name of a range. So we name a range. Now how to do that? So again, select, then you can click at here. You can delete C5. After deleting C5, you're going to type the name that you've been selected, like profit 1994. That's it. Then we select also this one. Look at that, D5. Then we're going to type profit 1995, and the last, so we're going to type here profit 1996, enter. So last we have here description. Now, you will notice that if I'm going to click on the first selection, still the name of the cell is been indicated on the name box. Okay, but we already rename or name the range of the column of the multiple cells. Now let's proceed to select a name of range. Now how can we go back to our selection? That is the last topic for this activity. Select a name range. So to do that, what you need to do is to click this name box drop down button. So right here there is a what you call drop down button. You can click that and you will notice that there are plenty of name range which we've been used, like description. We type this one, it is been selected right now, so no need to click and select. So profit 1994. So the purpose of this is to make it easy for the user to have a copy of the data, especially if you have plenty of data in the spreadsheet like we use in the government. So something as it goes to 1000 and in column it goes to CZ. So that is multiple and it's very hard. That's why what we need to do is to select, so that if you wanted to go directly to that point, no need for scrolling, but what you need to do is select on the name box. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and good luck.